What's up, guys? This is my 86 Toyota SR5 pickup. All original paint end to end. Super cherry truck. This thing, original stripes. Look at the bed. Never been used. Literally no scratches. It's shiny. This truck is mint. Super clean. It's dirty. Actually, that's dirt. Don't worry about it. Runs well. Drives well. Past smog with flying colors. Chrome front end, cruise control, power windows, power locks. This truck has everything. All the accessories. Okay, it's a 22 RE, so it's injected, not carbureted. Super clean little truck. Like literally time capsule. It has the turbo wheels on it. Original stripes. Look at the bed. That is shiny. I don't know if you can tell, but it's shiny. And it is EFI. So that is cool. It's a plus. There's no rust on this. I am the second owner. I smogged it today. Well, not today, a few days ago. But it's currently registered in my name. Clean title. Straight as an arrow. All the graphics are original on it. Look how shiny the inside of the bed is. It's crazy. Don't mind my coffee and bagel on the seat. Look at that. Look at the seat condition. It's got 178,000 miles on it. But it's got power windows, factory equalizer, air conditioning. Dash has a few small splits. This truck literally has just about every single accessory you could get, minus the sunroof. Let me see its spot hood. Xtra-Cab. Runs like a champ. I put a brand new battery in it. 22 RE. Power steering, air conditioning, cruise control. The whole 9 yards. This truck is end to end. Original paint. Never been painted. I paint metered the entire thing. And it is super clean. Before we end the video here, I'm going to give a little speech. Okay. There was a guy, if you go back and look at my 1980 Honda Civic post, that was super pissed because he says, you didn't put the price. I said, okay, you didn't read the description. Okay, every video that I post, you guys, there is a description and it states everything about the car, the miles, the price, all the history. The description states everything. Okay, I don't hide anything. I try not to hide anything, you know. So if you're looking for any more info on any car I posted that's not in the video, please check out the descriptions. This guy was complaining. He says, when I buy something, I don't read the description. I said, dude, really? You're gonna go look at a car on eBay and just hit buy it now because you didn't read the description? And then what happens if it shows up in its salvage title? You didn't read the description. He goes, it's a waste of my time to read the description. I said, dude, you spent 2 minutes of your life watching my entire YouTube video on a car, but don't want to spend 30 seconds reading the description. You know, it's hilarious. You know, some people don't have common sense, you could say. Yeah, that guy, check out the comment. It's pretty funny. It's like, dude, who buys something and doesn't read the description? It's like buying something off Amazon too. It's like, yeah, don't read the description and then get mad when it isn't what you wanted. But anyway, moral of the story is you can't fix stupid, and that's okay. There's a lot of stupid people in the world. But anyway, here's the truck. If you're interested, give me a holler. Okay, this thing probably won't last too long. I also don't do this YouTube. I'm also say something else. I also don't do these YouTube videos for clout. I don't do any of it for clout. I strictly do this to make my life easier, okay? Because when I'm selling these cars, I get a lot of people that go, do you have a video of it? You have a video of it? And it's been easier for me to just send them a link to the truck, you know, the video. instead of, you know, having to send everyone the same video through Messenger and clogs up my feed and takes up a bunch of my storage. So I literally started this YouTube stuff because it makes my life easier, not for the clout, not for anything. And you guys seem to like what I post. I've got almost 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you subscribing. It's cool. I did not expect it when I first started doing this. I strictly did it because it makes my life easier, you know? And you know, as more people view your stuff, you get a lot of haters and stupid people like that guy that commented on my other video, you know, mad because he didn't read the description. He said, it's not my job to read the description. Anyway, sorry, it's a little dirty. It's dirt. It just rained here in California like crazy. So here the truck is. I think I've showed a pretty in-depth description of this thing. Should be pretty dang good. All right, guys. Like, subscribe, and follow. I appreciate every one of you. Bye.